Good morning, student of class 7. Today we will do second chapter, A Tiger in the House, section C, question and answer. Okay, first question. Instruction: answer the following question. First question: describe the atmosphere in the jungle camp. Yesterday I had said you to find it out the answers. So match it. Here page number 125 given. Note down. The camp itself was sumptuous. 7 large tents, in bracket one for each shikari, a dining tent, a number of servant tents. Okay. The dinner was very good. As grandfather admitted afterwards, it was not often that one saw hot water, plates, finger glass, and 7 or 8 courses in a tent in the jungle. Now, first question, answer complete. Second question, describe briefly Timothy's behavior towards his companion and the author. Note down, Timothy's behavior towards the companion was different. Two companions are there, one Toto monkey and another is mongrel puppy. So Toto monkey, who was bold enough to pull the young tail by, okay, but whenever the tiger was angry, Timothy was angry, then he climbed up at the curtains. And mongrel puppy, about what? Timothy appeared to be quite afraid of the puppy, but later he is taking rest there. And about the author, note down, Timothy's behavior was good against author. Now, next question, number 3rd. Why was Timothy taken to the zoo? Note down the answer. When Timothy began to stalk Mahmud about the house with what looked like villainous intent, grandfather decided that it was time to transfer him to a zoo. Next question, number 4. What was grandfather's experience when he went again to meet Timothy at the zoo? About 6 months after, grandfather took the opportunity of calling at the zoo to see how Timothy was getting on. And after reaching there, grandfather called Timothy, and climbing the railing with ease, he put his arms through the bars of the cage. And after, the tiger approached the bars and allowed grandfather to put both hands around his head. This one complete. Now, 5th. What did the zookeeper tell grandfather about the behavior of the tiger in the cage? Now, zookeeper told that I have not been very long, sir, here, but I have never been able to touch him myself. He is always very bad tempered. Okay. Now, next one, hot question. There are 3. First one, if you have a tiger cub as a pet, how would you keep him? You have to do. If you have, suppose that, a tiger cub, then how would you keep? Second, why do you think the tiger in the cage did not attack grandfather? What conclusion do you draw? Okay, means that you know that already Timothy was died, but another tiger, he was not bad tempered tiger, but actually not attacking grandfather. Why? What is the reason? And what do you come to know about grandfather's character from the story? These 3 questions you have to do by yourself. And now grammar spotlight. Noun, formation of noun. You know that how to make noun. Any word is there, so you means how to make noun. Noun means what? Noun is the name of person, place, animals, or things. So here given some adjective are there. How to make polite. Okay, politeness, brave, bravery, truthful, truthfulness, happy, happiness, loyal, loyalty, honest, honesty, curious, curiosity, long, length, and favorite, favoritism. Okay, like this you have to make. Next page there are some verbs are there. You have to already change. You have to understand, and here by of making exercise is there related to it. I will give you in PDF. Today you have to do exercise related to it. Okay. Thank you for today. Rest tomorrow.